Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm so happy to be back with another video. And today is the day that I've been waiting for so long. I've been wanting to go out for fasting at Chathe Prayer Center since many months back, but due to this lockdown and all these things, it was not possible for me. But this time, by the grace of God, I got the opportunity, so I am going for fasting for 1 week, I guess. Yeah, 1 week. So I'm so excited, and I thought of making a vlog on this, and I just want to take you around. So I hope you will like and enjoy this video. So guys, he is a dear brother and a friend to me, and he is dropping us till Chathe Prayer Center. Despite of all his busy work, he managed to drop us there. And then guys, if you would also like to visit Chathe Prayer Center but have financial problem or transportation problem, you can always approach him. I will give his contact number in the description below, and yeah, please do not forget to check out his YouTube channel as well.
No, it's here. Get the record. Posti dina kuch. Acha tobe projector laga aro wire gun aside to.
Andi khushi pai.
Wire be lisina main. দিকে
So guys, let me show you around. Yeah, this is our kitchen and we're going to use firewood, and then this is our compound and this is our room. This is our bathroom, and then yeah, this is our place. So guys, we are already done with the cleaning, and let me show you once again. Auntie, Sabina. It's okay. And this is our bedroom. We have arranged it like this. Hello everyone, so today is our first day and we woke up just now. We're gonna have a blessed time together, and you know, the weather out here is so good. Today is such a pleasant day. So guys, now we are going out to buy some vegetables, so I'll take you along with us.
Hi guys. Hello guys.
So guys, this is the Chathe River, but the water is so dirty. So guys, we're heading back to our prayer center. So finally we have reached. So guys, it's time for us to go to church, so we're getting ready.
Hey, তাহান পরীক্ষা উপর বেশি জিতুলা মানবী থাকে এনেকা টাকা পয়সা বড় এতু কাম বাচ্চা বলে না পারা মান দামর কাম করবলে পারা
So guys, we're gonna fetch clean water now. This is a temporary church, and the new building is under construction. So from here we take drinking water. This is the pastor residence, and this is where we take clean water for cooking. So guys, we're now going out to collect some firewoods. Actually, we don't know where we will find firewoods, but we're just... Si auntie, tibi ina ito kan bilawan ni. Ha? Okay. Ito kan suka, ito kan bini o tayo na. Ano ni Chibra is okay. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. You know guys, sometimes coming out like this and then exploring is so interesting because living in Dimapur city is so boring sometimes. Huh? Oh, we thought that this is a kind of wood, but actually, but it turns out to be saguli. So guys, we're still searching for firewood. We found some, but we kept that side. While going back, we will take it. And we're still searching. Ha! Yes, you don't hear. Actually, we have lots of firewood, but since we're going to stay for 5 days, we thought that it will not be sufficient for us, so we're searching for some. I got one big one. So I got this. Actually, the water is so dirty. Before it was very clean, but I don't know why it's very dirty, the water, because last time we came here for fasting and then I got one, and then the water was so clean and we had lots of fun, playing in the water, taking photographs. But this time the water is so dirty, we cannot enjoy. See the Guys, since this is my first vlog, taking video and then working is not easy, okay?
Guys, if you want to come to Chathe Prayer Center, you know, there are lots of firewood selling that side, okay, outside. But since we don't want to waste money, we're just collecting firewood and then, yeah.
Guys, this flower is so pretty. So this is where we are staying.
Finally, we have reached collecting this much firewood.
So guys, we also have some shops inside the Chathe Prayer Center. So we also got some stuffs to buy. So let me take you around and show you. So guys, finally we're going back home. We finished our fasting by the grace of God. It went so well, and then we have already packed our things and we're going back. So yeah. Auntie, fasting kinali siya.
ভালে লৈছে তো সেই ভাল পৰা লৈ দিছে কিনি ৰবি ইমান ভাল ভাল কৰা লৈছে ইমান খুচি শুনি কিনে বেছি প্লেছ না আপুনি আনবি ইটো নিচিনা কৰিব লাগে দে মখান নিচিনা কিনে প্লেছ পাই ইটো নিচিনা কৰিবি দে
Guys, this is the end of the vlog. We have enjoyed so much and we have received so much blessing, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
Auntie, sabi na. Si Mami cute. Dari man dangor-dangor.
saman pinise ite person dari jas itu na jagote na pero kine jai kine foto khichi khichi kine